In this video, we will talk about comparison operators in Python. So as the name suggests, comparison operators are used to compare two or more things, okay? So we can compare two or more operands using the comparison operators in Python. So there are 6 comparison operators in Python. The first one is equal to. So equal to is basically used to see if two operands are equal or not. Okay, let me just create two operands first. A equals to 10, B equals to 20, and let's create one more, C equals to 10 as well. Okay, so here A and C are equal, but B is 20, okay, which is not equal. So let's just let me create one more variable, result. Okay, result stores the outcome of the comparison operator. Okay, so I write result equals to A equal to 10. Oh, sorry, A equal to B, let's say. Okay, and then I'm printing the value of result. Let's see what it gives. So you can see it gives the value false. So what we come to know, that the comparison operators give us a boolean value, either true or false. Okay, so the value whatever is coming from this is being stored in result variable, and then I'm printing that. I can also do like this for the sake of convenience. I can directly print like this, A equal to B, and then print. You can see the result is false because A equals to 10 and B equals to 20. Both of them are not equal. 10 is not equal to 20. Okay, so this is the equal to operator. The other one is not equal to. This is the symbol, exclamation sign and then equals to. This is not equal to. So this operator returns true if the two values are not equal, which is true in this case. Okay, you can see the answer is true because 10 is obviously not equal to 20, and hence the condition is true. Okay, the other operators are greater than, less than, greater than equals to, and less than equals to. So A greater than B, this returns true if A will be greater than B. Okay, and then let me write another statement, A is less than B. Let's check the result. So you can see A equals to 10 and B equals to 20. So A is obviously less than B. So the second one gives true while the first one gives false. And similarly, if you can also use greater than equals to or less than equals to. Let me write one more. A is less than or equal to C, or A is greater than or equal to C. So now let's check the result. So you can see false, true, true, true. So A is greater than or equals to B. A is 10. So 10 is greater than or equals to 2. None of the condition matches. Neither it is greater than B or it is equals to B. But all of these conditions are satisfied because you see A is less than or equals to B. Yes, 10 is satisfying one condition. Although it is not equal, but it is satisfying the less than condition. Okay, and similarly A is less than or equal to C. It is not less than but equals to. That's why it's give true. That's why it gives true. And similarly A is greater than or equal to C. It is not greater but at least equal. That's why. Okay, so these are the comparison operators in Python.